Hi friends, you are watching my YouTube channel Civil 3D Pro Designer. So in this lesson I will teach you a high paid skill which you can learn and then you can sell your services on some freelancing platform which will I tell you in the end of this lesson. So stay with me and watch full video till the end. Before starting, kindly subscribe my YouTube channel Civil 3D Pro Designer and press the bell icon to get latest notification about videos. You can also access me through my Facebook page Civil 3D Pro Designer and you can connect me here to get more earnings in your life with AutoCAD Civil 3D if you are a drafter or a land surveyor. So let's start our today tutorial. In this lesson I will actually teach you how you can make Civil 3D contour surfaces using PDF file which have contours. So first of all you need to see on your PDF file. Sometimes clients give you just a PDF file or an image which have site plans and contours with intervals and some other dimension, and they say please convert them into AutoCAD file. So if you don't know, then you can't do that without a survey data that is XYZ, easting, northing and elevation. So Civil 3D have a best option to convert this PDF into uh, contour surfaces. It will take time, but it's high paid job which you can sell your clients and earn much as you can. So I have a map. For example, you can see we have contours and the contours are a 0.2 interval. You can see interval must be shown on some contours which we will apply them later, and the some other dimension, any one line have a dimension. It can be in feet and meters, it's not meter. So we will convert this map into contour surfaces in Civil 3D. So let's start. Open your Civil 3D, then in a new drawing. First of all you need to see your units. I have decimal and in meters, I am fine with them. Go to the insert tab and attach your PDF file or JPG file in your, you can do like that. So as you can see here we have a 2 meter interval between the grids. So first of all you need to scale, you need to align your drawing with that scale. To align this image with actual dimension, draw a line of 2 meter. I draw a line of 2 meter, then press A, L, enter, select your drawing and press enter. Then you will go here and pick this point and put on this corner. Then because our here to there we have 2 meters, so we need to align that according to our existing and another point should be here. Then it will say you need to align or not. Press yes, and you can see here we have. So now our drawing is aligned, but now it's the original process which I want to learn you, that how you can convert your PDF contours into Civil 3D contour surfaces, which you can use later for road design, channels, grading, everything. So for the polyline, PL enter and trace all the line. All your line trace with the polyline. You can see I am tracing. As you have line with white color, it will not visible. You can change your layer and you can see line in a different color very well. You need to trace them as they are in your PDF. It will take time, but it's a trick to get more job, because many clients have not their data for the contours. You can get them from Google's Earth, but sometimes the towns and cities not accepted these data from the Google Earth. So at the last they have just PDF, and they also need to use trace all your lines. I am drawing just fast, so I will not get accuracy as we have in PDF. But if you get any real-time projects, please do it precisely on your lines. You can press enter to get a curve like that to make your contour more precise. So you can see it is more complicated little bit, because if you have many lines you will need to spend many time with them to trace all of the lines. Because if you need precise contour surfaces to get quantities, then you must need a precise tracing for each line, not like me, which I am doing. It's just for example. So it should be polyline, not a line. If you have two lines, you can give them same elevation. Civil 3D have a best option to give the elevation for any line, for any point in your drawing. So we will use this option. Now we have remaining some. I'm doing that just fast, but if you have time you can do it precisely with line and arc function of polyline. You can use a circle also. You can see when you have round contours you can put circle, but it should be precisely not like this which I am putting. So once you have traced all the line, select your image and move them aside. Now you can see we have all polylines, but they are just polyline, they have not any elevation, so we need to give them elevation to convert them into AutoCAD Civil 3D contour surfaces. So you can see here we have 2 at 4.0 elevation of this line, so it's mean we have here to there 0.2 interval contour interval. For this line I can get that it will 2 at 4.2. For this circle, select the circle and right click, then you will see properties. Properties have XYZ, so we need to change just the elevation of the line. So you can put the elevation here 2 at 4. To at 4.2. Okay, and then press escape. Then another line will be, because we are going in the minus from here to there outside, so it will 2 at 4. Here you can see elevation, you can change them to at 4, 2 at 4.0, or you can then press enter and select another line. Another line will be change, it will 2 at 3.8. So another line will be 2 at 3.6. I'm doing a little bit change. Here you can see we have a 2.2 interval between major contour, but we have a minor contour of which is 0.1, so it can be minor interval 0.1 but major interval will be 0.2. So I am just doing a little bit change. I am just giving them interval of 0.2 for each contour, but you need to do according to your drawing which you are going to convert with AutoCAD Civil 3D contour surfaces. So here we have to at 3.6 and then another 2 at 3.4, sorry, 2 at 3, 2 at 3.4, then another line will be 2 at 3.2, the second line will be 2 at 3.0, 2.8, to a 2.6. If you have these line like this, you need to join them. Join J, enter, and select two lines. So it will do at 2.4 to at sorry to at 2.4. Press enter, press escape, then another line. These two lines will be the elevation of 2 at 2.2. Here we have 2 at 3.4, so this line have not elevation. You can select them and give him a second elevation to a 3.4. okay, so now our each line have elevation, but they are not still our contour surface. So what we need to do, go to the prospector tab and click on surfaces, right click and create surface. Give the name for the surfaces, and here you can select anyone. I need to select 1 meter and 5 meter contour surfaces. Press OK, press OK. Then extend your surface definitions, and when we create surface with points, we use point groups, but now we have lines, so we will use contours option. Click, right click, and then press add. You can write anything here or need to leave same as is and press OK. It will say select all your contour lines. So the circle is actually not our contour. It's not a polyline, that's why it's not selected. So you remember, you don't need to use circle command. You just trace all the line with polyline. Okay, so press enter and you can see here we have the surface. You can select any your polyline and then select similar, delete. Okay, now we have it's our surface of AutoCAD Civil 3D. You can go into your properties and you can see analysis statics for your surface. You can edit your surface style, you can edit your interval. It can be 0.5, and you can change your smoothing for your contours like this. You can see now we have interval of 0.5, so it will change like that. You can also design any alignment, any grading on your surface now. Hope you like this video. If you want to earn with AutoCAD Civil 3D, you can follow and subscribe my YouTube channel for these tricks and tips. Thank you. Goodbye.